Does daily walking really help you stay in shape? Hello, everyone! Walking is a simple workout, but is it enough to maintain your figure? It depends on your goals. If you want to stay fit, walking 30 to 60 minutes daily at a brisk pace, raising your heart rate, meets weekly cardio recommendations. A 70-kilogram person can burn 150 to 300 calories per hour of walking, aiding fat loss if done consistently. According to Healthline, add 15 minutes or climb hills and you'll burn calories faster, boosting weight loss. But for building muscle, walking isn't enough. You need strength training like gym workouts. Walking also improves quality of life. Climbing stairs gets easier and endorphins lift your mood. Brisk walking 3 to 4 times a week reduces heart disease risk, lowers blood pressure, and enhances sleep. Netizens share 10,000 steps daily. I lost 5 kilograms in 3 months. For best results, walk on hilly terrain or speed up. Tip: wear comfy shoes. Listen to music to stay motivated. Have you walked today? Comment below, like and subscribe. Thank you all.